Kadung buyu jing tip kawat ke baki pulit ka ong ba lapron kamban penyap ya ura jara kubansi kadike bedang temai. Ya kene kawat ayu atam ki pulit na jan berlap ya kamet jong raja rakubansi na wai Sawdong mentakas ngi kelai terik ujeliu a jalapsan hak bau SP ka iskasi hilu ba bibix im ura ong bakadai kebalapon kamban pom ya raja. Kum kene kawat la ru ban yo dak ba Thied online. Mentakas ngi ki pulit Kiap long ru ijing wat ya kagen thai kasonam ruk rakubansi na kajaka kewalap yo raja ruk rakubansi ndai hakan ki jing wat kim sima alap din setia ban nang ni kya mi pat ban lej wat se thain mau kema hakba katkum kijing tip nau GPS brabu hakata kesukoti baginya ki ayang hakata ka thain mau kema kumba arminit ai kipulit kidang ti bani ay kan ka kam hal kijing jia bat kidang ap ya kai phot yang push mortem Lapun kedau bagi pulit gayo tam lo ya kamet uraja rakubansi nin kasingi na siteng riat kabakot ka riat al yang hatany wei Sawdong.
Taken by the scooty is in a line with that it had gone to Sawdong and had come out to Sawdong. Yes. Available everywhere. You can even buy it online. So we'll have to find out. But it's what I can say. It's a new dao, just used for this purpose. It's not an old dao where people use it every day for cutting wood. Or anything. It's a new dao, or just for this purpose.
The person's body was.
Whether he was killed and then thrown. But yes. Once we get the postmortem report, then we can ascertain from the kind of injury whether the injury out there is fatal for him to have died before being thrown, or whether he was alive when being thrown. So we'll know from the postmortem that yes, he was thrown, and because he died out of the fall. So that will come in the postmortem report. About the scooty, in fact, we've treated this as a special report case. It is on topmost priority. We have the special investigation team investigating this case. The team will be headed by the SP City. There are other 3 DSPs, DSP Crime, DSP City and DSP Ops and four DSPs and SDPO Sora. And we have 2 sub-inspectors also. One is the IO and one is the assistant who will be supporting the IO. So we have many GOs in this special investigation team. That only says that is a case of topmost priority.
If you can update us what is happening right now.
See, today I'd like to, since you all have got an update since yesterday, today the search has continued again in Sawdong Falls, and NDRF also has been involved. So the gorge is about 3 layers, and they have gone right to the last layer, and NDRF, SDRF, SOT have gone down, and they have recovered the phone of the victim, and they've also recovered the weapon which was used. It was dao, the knife which was used, and that has been seized. However, the wife of the deceased has not been found yet. Tomorrow we'll resume again our search in the same area and in the adjoining areas which is close by. It's because the gorge extends to quite a distance from there, so we'll be looking for those areas which is about say 1 or 2 kilometers from that place. So it is in the same alignment with the job with that same gorge which we of Sawdong. So our priority is right now is to again look for the body of the female.
Well, sir, right now, like robbery or something in that line.
See, like I said in my press release yesterday, we can't rule out we can't rule out any we can't rule out all possibilities. So let the facts come in, and yes, the weapon was used to murder. Whether the motive was for robbery, or if there was any vendetta, or there's any form of hatred, or any issue in between the accused and the victims, we need to find that out. So facts will come forth as and when we investigate. So we need to look for more evidence in the place of occurrence. We need to look for evidence elsewhere also, and then only we can come to certain conclusion. But otherwise, at this juncture, it's premature to say anything. We need to find more evidence. Our aim is to get more evidence, then we can say something concrete. Otherwise, it'll just be mere assumptions.
So one thing,
Yeah.
just so that things will be clear. Right now, the question is whether it's a murder or not.
No, there's no doubt. In fact, I have already said it's a case of homicides. The body which we got yesterday, the person has been murdered. There's no question about it. And we've registered a case also for murder, common intention, and for destruction of evidence or non-disclosure of of trying to hide since the body was thrown. So the attempt was to try to hide all forms of evidence. So that section also is there. So there's no doubt that it is murder, but we have to find out what is the motive behind it.
Whether